Country of origin. Let's know what this means. Country of origin. You can report, you can track for inventory transactions or maybe on-hand quantities or maybe costing also by using country of origin, based on country of origin. Basically, what is this country of origin? So country of origin always it refer particular product of country of manufacturing or maybe country of production or maybe where it's growth, right? So you can see, right, suppose if you bought any mobile, you can see made in China, made in USA, made in India. What it means, that means that product got manufactured in maybe India, in China. You can see US lot of items you can see made in China. That is nothing but country of origin, where that product got manufactured or production completed. In various, if you see, if you are various, you can see national laws or maybe your local laws or maybe international laws. Whenever are importing any items from other countries, you have to record, you have to capture where that item got manufactured. Even if you see, if you buy any such, for example in US, if you buy any such, sometimes you can see in such, you can see made in Taiwan. Even though it's Taiwan or maybe somewhere it's manufacturing, I am selling in US or maybe India, right? But why still I have to display? That means is your company policy or maybe country policy, international policies. You have to capture your country of origin or maybe country of manufacturing. Generally, where you will use is generally companies who are buying and selling the product on international basis. So maybe they are importing the items, or maybe they say that selling the items to, or exporting the items, importing and exporting the across the countries. So during these transactions, whatever maybe transactions you are going to perform, we have to capture country of origin of that item, where you manufactured that item, you can capture. So this information you can capture in any material transaction movement. Means while performing inventory transaction like miscellaneous receipt, whatever maybe transactions, or maybe while receiving the material, or maybe now I am receiving the material. For example, I am importing, like maximum you see, right? Even if you see the Apple also, you can see some of the parts made by China, right? You can see made in China. Means what will happen? You are importing from China, manufacturing there, and you are importing. So that means I am receiving the material India or maybe US. So that is nothing but a country of production or a country of origin. So that means while receiving the material, you can capture what is the that item, what is the country of origin. While put away nothing but a delivery. During the delivery also you can do, or maybe while during the pick and farm, during the OEM, while shipping the items also you can capture what is the country of origin that item during the picking and during the shipping. Why? Because now same item, assume I am having item one, I am having China is manufacturing, US manufacturing, India manufacturing. Maybe my customer is asking, maybe only made in US or maybe made in India. How you will track? But system point of view, you are having 100 quantity, right? 100 quantity. But how you will know what is this quantity is made, where it's manufacturing, in which country it's manufacturing? Or maybe I want to see my unknown quantity based on country of origin. Overall, I'm having 100 items, 100 Apple phones I'm having. But how I will know that Apple phone is manufacturing? I want to know USA phones, how many are there? Or maybe China manufacturing, how are there? So how you will capture this? If you capture this country of origin whenever you are performing any transactions, whether it's a receiving or maybe a shipping, so you can see this information even while performing on-hand quantity balances also you can see. Even these things you can include while performing cycle counting, physical counting also you can include. And also even you can capture costing also. Costing also you can include this country of origin. Based on country of origin also you can calculate your costing. So all this in any inventory of transactions you can capture country of origin. But again, that is completely depends on, generally you can see if any company is there that regularly doing maximum, some export import companies are there, right? There you can see this type of functionality. Why? Because it has to support your company laws or maybe national laws or maybe international laws. Fulfill those laws, you must capture your country of origin. So you can use this one even while performing on-hand quantity also. In application you can see based on country of origin also you can see your on-hand quantity. Okay, let's see now. Wherever you can see just how to enable, I will show you. If you want to use that functionality, again, that is complete option. If you want to use it, otherwise use it, otherwise leave it. It is complete option. But where you will enable that one? Go to procurement. Anything, not procurement, anyone. Just go to at inventory organization level, you enable. But manage inventory organization. For example, in 001, I want to enable based on country of origin. I want to track my on-hand quantity or maybe transactions, whatever maybe. Here you can see enable inventory tracking by using country of origin. That means I'm going to tracking my inventory, whether it's on-hand balances or maybe transactions or cycle counting, physical counting, anything, costing, whatever maybe. Complete tracking of an item. Here tracking of an item means nothing but a movement of item. Enable that one. This is the only checkbox is going to control you whether you are using this country of origin, whether you are capturing this country of origin or not. Save. Save and close. Let's see now. Wherever you can see in each and every transaction, just I will show you 2-3 transactions. For example, now let me perform miscellaneous receipt. Let's see if that option is available. Just I am receiving the material from my supplier. I am importing. Let's assume I am importing the material. So where that material captured, you can manufactured. You can capture while receiving. Any transaction you can capture while performing any inventory transaction. Defaultly that is available hidden mode. Okay. If you go to view column show all, you can see country of origin under item attribute. You can choose country of origin. Let's say search. Let's assume this is the one I am receiving from US, United States. And let me how much quantity, sub inventory. Let's say stores I am receiving maybe 5 boxes I received from US. Let me receive one more box. Same item. First, I will show you one transaction. Later, I will theoretically I will discuss. Whatever maybe you can name it. Inventory transactions, whatever transaction you can perform, you can do transaction based on country of origin. Maybe if you see shipping the material also, maybe my customer requested I'm having same item. 5 quantity manufactured in India, 5 quantity manufactured in US. Some customers, if they ask only I want India product, or maybe I want only US product, so I will ship. We can capture this country of origin information during the picking and shipping also. But it's having some limitations, we will see. First, let me receive the material, then we will see. Submit. Let me go to on-hand quantity and verify on-hand quantity. Yes, item quantity. Maybe I have to use any new item. Total 95 is there. So here you can see inventory attribute. Earlier in the previous versions, we are having only 4 to here only. So here they added one more functionality here, inventory attribute. So here you can see based on country wise. So total in stores, I am having 95. If I want drill down further, use inventory attributes. If you see first one transactions 45, I didn't enter anything. There is any, I didn't capture country of origin. Hope you remember. That is the reason it's not storing anything. Remaining, for example, let's assume this is the lot one. Lot two, I received it from India. If you capture a lot information also, okay. And lot three, I received from US. But total 95, same item. But if you drill down further, country wise, I can drill down. Maybe now if any customer is asking only for India product, I want 5 quantity, or US product, I want 5 quantity. Yes. During the picking and shipping, yes, you can capture, you can pick the items from, you can capture from which item you are picking. Whether you are from this lot, you are picking items India lot or maybe USA lot, you can capture. This is how you can use country of origin. Let's see now. Even you can verify your review completed transactions also, you can review. Let's go to review completed transaction. Search it somewhere, or maybe you can go to show all, or maybe what you can do is open that transaction. Somewhere you can see, click on country. Anywhere you are seeing country. Let me search with COUN. I think here also it's, what happened? Where it is? Here you can see inventory country of origin. So this lot 25 quantity, whatever I received, country of origin is. Even if I want to develop any reports also, I can develop. And even while any transaction, for example, sub inventory transfer, no need to discuss each and everything. Just let me show you a few. Maybe whatever lot I received, maybe from India lot, maybe 2 quantities are damaged. Now I am transferring the material from my stores to maybe sub inventory called maybe something damaged. Just let's assume. Yes, during this also you can capture, but that is a completely optional setup. It will be available in hidden mode. You have to enable. Again, that is not a mandatory also. That is complete optional. Let me store. Let's say stage. The total 9 quantity. So go to view, column, show. Here you can see country. Each and every place it's optional. If you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, leave it. But what will happen? Now I want to restrict. Can I make this field as a mandatory? So you can use by using Page Composer. That is one of the tool. Like in EBS, we are having that form personalization. Like that, we are having Page Composer. By using Page Composer, you can make these fields as a mandate. If you are having that requirement, yes, you can make the fields mandate, or maybe up. You can hide. You can. We will see. I will take one session how to use that Page Composer. Okay. Not like this, you can capture country of origin. Not only here, maybe during the picking, during the event, while receiving the material also. Let's assume cancel in any transactions. Why? Because to show you it's difficult to each and every transaction. But let me show you at least receipt. So where you will receive the material against to purchase order. For example, here you will receive all purchase order receipts. Here you will do all your shipping module. Let me show you receipts. More details we will see in PO. What it okay. Now what I know, I don't know anything, right? Maybe supplier. Let's say Advanced Corporation. From one supplier I will search. So now let me receive the material. But don't think much, sir. We will see in PO module. We will discuss. Just only concentrate on country of origin here. Just I am showing you wherever you can capture. Now let's assume I'm importing this one to maybe some countries. Somewhere it's available. Just look for country of origin under inventory attributes. Same thing during the shipping also. You can capture country of origin during the picking and shipping also. You can capture even for cycle counting, even for costing also. This got enabled. While performing, you can capture. You can add one of the cost element as a origin, country of origin also. You can use in costing also. Okay, but what is the limitations are? Let's see now. This is only for performing for transactions you can capture. But can I reserve this one? No. Now, so for example, automatically now when sales order came, I want to reserve this item automatically. Once I book the sales order, scheduling will happen, reservation will happen. Can I capture any scheduling? No. Sorry, reservations automatically? No. At sales order level, we are not having option to capture country of origin. That means maybe my customer is requested, I want only in India, whatever maybe manufacturing India or maybe US, I want only that item only. Can I capture as a seeded functionality at sales order level? No, you cannot capture. If you want optionally, you can enable one EFF or DFF, you can capture. During the system will reservation, during the reservation, system randomly will do the reservations. That is during the picking process, but again, that is soft reservation. During the picking process, maybe manually I have to allocate country of origin India or maybe US related items. I can assign from the plot. I will pick the item and I will assign manually. But automatically, system is not going to support automatic reservations, and you are not having any option to capture as a seeded functionality sales order level. Sales order level, and also consigned inventory also system is not going to support. We will see consigned procurement in procurement module what it means, and it will support all REST APIs. You can upload this country of origin information while loading the data by using REST APIs or maybe web service or maybe FBDIs or ADF integration spreadsheet, whatever maybe, it will support all. Only thing is, limitation is sales order level, you are not having any option to capture. If you do the reservations, system will pick some whatever maybe based on your picking setups or maybe whatever maybe, we will see in OM. Based on that, system will do the soft reservation, but during the maybe if I want change that reservations manually, I have to change. So that is one you have to remember. I think this is also one of the opt-in feature. Let me show you. Let me see. Go to setup and maintenance. Maybe if suppose in some cases, if you are on a checkbox is suppose maybe your customer reported in manage in inventory organization, maybe I am unable to see that checkbox track item based on country of origin, the checkbox, right? Suppose if that is not available means the future you are not using. Where you will verify means same thing. You have to go to here manufacturing. Let's see. Anywhere it's available. Let's see. Exact name I didn't remember. Let's see. Come down. Come down. Anywhere I am seeing. Maybe later I will tell you. It will maximum cases it will start with country. One second.
Should we first select inventory management?
That's only just I'm checking here first. Anything is there. That's later I will give you that name. I will verify and I will give you. But anyway, let me. So here it's not available. Let me go there. Like this, it must be enabled. If it's not enabled, means that functionality are not. No, oh, sorry, it is something saving related. So click on done. 1 second. I entered a wrong one. Go there. Where is the inventory? Inventory. Let me first enable. Look, verify here main level. Then I will come to inventory. Come down. Here, country of origin. So currently this is enabled. So you cannot, if you are not unable to modify means that is a mandatory one. You have to use it. You are not having any option. That is a mandatory. But again, you will get option whether you want to use or not. Where you will get while defining the organization, you have to choose the checkbox in your organization. Suppose generally regularly where you can see this one is Suppose if I am doing internal business, maximum import export companies, right? Regularly I am importing the multiple countries. Even you can use in manufacturing also. While manufacturing, maybe Apple phone for example, you can capture, right, lot of products made in China. You can capture, you can capture those information to product to manufacturing that finished goods, whatever raw material required, from where, which country I bought. Yes, during that one, during the manufacturing transactions, while performing, while transferring the your raw material from your sub inventory to maybe your shop floor manufacturing. Yes, I can capture. If I want manufacturing one Apple phone, maybe whatever RAM, whatever may be there, where I manufacture, I want to capture those information also. Yes, you can capture by performing the transactions. Yeah, this is regularly, you can see if companies are using regularly, they are importing and exporting across the globe, right? Maybe let's say company ABC, they are ordering the product from multiple countries around the world. So during that time, as per company policies or maybe national or maybe international laws or maybe policies, while receiving the goods, while manufacturing any goods or maybe while repairing any goods, they want selling the while selling the product to goods, they must capture what the country of origin that. That means various internal transactions or maybe external transactions. While performing any type of transactions, we can track and report where these goods are used in your sub inventory. The where goods are used means in which product we use, like where this quantity is available in your sub inventory, and even you can use for, as I mentioned, additional, like your government laws, right? Some company government, they are having some laws, export and import policies. So accordingly, you can use this one. And also defaultly, all these things are available. You can print in tiered reports also. If you run print cycle list report, or maybe physical inventory report, or packing slip report, pick slip report, movement request report, commercial invoice, whatever may be, all seeded reports also, this information it will get print in your report. Okay, this is about country of origin.